video we will see how to fix AOC monitor flickering, refresh rate, overdrive and cable solution. Fix 1 is check the refresh rate. Right click the desktop and select display setting. Click advanced display. Open the choose a refresh rate menu, then select the monitor recommended refresh rate. Click keep changes and check if the flickering stop. Second one is turn off overdrive. Press the monitor's menu button, then go to game setting or picture setting. Find overdrive. Change it from strong, boost maximum to medium or off. Exit the menu and test the display. Third one is reconnect or replace the cable. Turn off the monitor and PC, then unplug the HDMI or DisplayPort cable from both ends. Reconnect it firmly. If possible, try another cable. Turn the monitor back on and check the screen. Fourth one is disable adaptive sync, FreeSync. Open the monitor's menu, go to gaming setting, then turn adaptive sync or FreeSync off. Restart the PC and test again. Fifth one is update the graphic driver. Press Window plus X and select Drive Device Manager. Expand display adapter. Right click your graphic card and choose update driver. Install the latest driver from Nvidia, AMD or Intel if available. Restart the computer. Thanks for watching.